Are you tired of making plain, boring baked beans? Well, you're in luck. Today at Shareably Delicious, we're going to show you how to make beans so flavorful you'll never go back. The first thing you'll need is a 28-ounce can of baked beans, and we prefer brown hickory flavor, 10 ounces of seasoning blend, about 4 slices of raw bacon, 1/4 cup of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and about 1 tablespoon of season-all. The first thing you're going to do is chop the bacon into bite-sized pieces. Next, start browning your bacon in a heavy bottom pot. Give this about 2 minutes and then add about 1/4 of the bag of seasoning blend. Keep stirring and use a non-metal spoon to scrape the bottom of your pot to remove any stuck-on pieces. Then add more seasoning blend. Repeat the stir and scrape process until you use the whole bag of seasoning blend. At this point, sprinkle in your seasoning. Continue to cook it until all the seasoning blend is brown like this. Pour in the beans and stir. Dump in the brown sugar like we do here and continue to stir to make sure it's dissolving. The last thing you'll add is the barbecue sauce. Make sure all the ingredients are mixed in well. Then turn your heat to medium-low and put the lid on. The goal is to keep them simmering for 15 minutes. But you do need to keep stirring them every few minutes so they don't stick to the pot, and make sure they aren't boiling. Once you can see that the beans have thickened, much like this, they're ready to serve.